We just discussed whenever vendor of groundnut came there, he always make a din, vociferousness, creating a din, loud noise and attract the customers. Students, the seller of the groundnuts had his unique skill of marketing. He always created din and attract the customer. Then, who gave his ware a fancy name each day, calling it Bombay ice cream one day, another next day, Delhi almond, and on the third, Raja's delicacy. He is a groundnut seller. He used to sell only groundnuts. But students, he had a unique style. Every day, he named his product with a different name. Are you surprised? First day he says Bombay delicacy, Bombay ice cream. Second day he shouts Raja's delicacy. And another day he says Delhi almond. He is just a groundnut seller. But in spite of that, he had a great marketing skills. He want to attract customers on the street. He is a vendor of groundnuts. So he is a very common vendor. But see, his unique style of attracting customers by naming his product with a different name, Bombay ice cream, Delhi almond, etc. So, students, RK Narayan just want to tell you the scene around the town hall where the astrologer used to sit. Let's continue. And people flocked to him. And whenever this vendor shouts, people flock, gather together there, make a crowd around the groundnuts and try to purchase the product. And a considerable portion of this crowd dallied before the astrologer too. Another word, student, we are going to learn dally. Dally means waste of time. When the customers which purchase the product from groundnuts, they surge, push forward at the place of the astrologer, and there they dallied their time, waste their time. You know that astrology just it is the imagination power, and astrologer just try to convince the people what they want to listen. So they dallied before the astrologer too. The astrologer transacted his business by the light of a flare. This is a phrase. Light of a flare means blaze. Then which crackled and smoked up above the groundnut heaps nearby. Nearby the shop of the groundnut seller, astrologer used to sit nearby him only. And he runs his business. Half the enchantment of the place was due to the fact that it did not have the benefit of municipal lighting. Though it is a town hall park, municipal corporation has provided street light in some area but no use in that area. And so the place was lit up by shop lights. Every shopkeeper has to do his own arrangement. There was no useless street light which were provided by municipal corporation. So shopkeeper had to do their own adjustments. See, next term, the place was lit up by shop lights. One or two had hissing gas lights. Some had naked flares. Student, this is a phrase. What is the phrase? One or two had hissing gas lights, some had naked flare. In 18th century, when before electricity, people used to use different type of light. You know, those were protected by the glass, kerosene, and so without conceal of the glass, those lights were there in front of those shops. So those are called as hissing gas lights. Some had naked flare. Naked flare means without any protection. When wind blows, definitely the blaze will spread around, stuck on the poles. Some were lit up by the old cycle lamps, and one or two, like astrologer, managed without lights of their own. But astrologer didn't have anything. He didn't have street light, nor he had gas lights. But without light, he tried to manage his business. It was bewildering crisscross of light rays and moving shadows. Student, another term, the next word, bewildering. Bewildering, that is confusing, puzzle, baffled. So, this is bewildering crisscross of light rays and moving shadows. This is a combination. One side there is a light, another side shadow. So this is a it is a crisscross of light. This suited the astrologer very well, for the simple reason that he had not in the least intended to an astrologer when he began life. Student, now R.K. Narayan want to give information about astrologer's past. Initially, by profession he was not an astrologer. What was he? Let's see in detail. He was as much as a stranger to the stars as were his innocent customers. He didn't know anything about astrology, same like his customer. But that was the matter of study, practice and shrewd guessworks. Practice makes man perfect. Astrologer didn't know anything about astrology, but repeating again and again the same things with his customer, he practiced and mastered the topic, and he knew how to convince the customer. So he got that skill. It is just work of shrewd guesswork. Another term, shrewd. Shrewd means assimilate. One more word, good at judging people. This astrologer was perfect in judging the people, what people want to know, and he only told them those things only. So, all the same, it was as much as an honest man's labor as any other. When he deserved the wages he carried home at the end of the day. And throughout the day, however, whatever he tells his customer, afterwards the customer used to give him his wage, and it was just the entire wage of his day. So student, in this passage we got information about astrologers setting the scene around the market, various vendors, sellers, how they sell their product, and we just learn here astrologer was he was unknown about astrology, but by practice he learned the skill.